guys, welcome back to my channel. So, this is a site. There's fucking shit there. This is a site we haven't seen on the channel in a little while. We've actually got my Audi back. She is still here. Love her just as much as before. And today we're actually going to be doing something that I've been saying I've been going to do for like months now, like months and months and months. So we took our time a little bit. We've got a few things to fit, but the main one is in this big box. Bolts. First clue, clue number one. Oh, clue number two. This is actually from Forge Motorsport, and you guys know I've been down to Forge before. We actually got the blower valve from Forge installed on my Audi, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. So we've gone with Forge again. So in here we have actually got some spacers for my Audi A1. These are actually, the quality of these things is actually mad. Like, that's like pure metal. So yeah, I want to give a massive shout out to Forge for actually sending me these, and also to Awesome GTI. So basically these are Forge Motorsport spacers, but I got them in like a bundle with the bolts and the spacers from Awesome GTI, who supply a load of Forge products actually. So yeah, I really appreciate them both sending me these out. Yeah, if you guys are interested in going to either companies, I'll leave a link to both of them down below. But I know Awesome GTI actually has kind of a brand new unit, brand new facility. So if you're based in Manchester, maybe go check them out, give them a visit. They do loads of stuff, so like you can get loads of shit done to your car. Yeah, so kind of talking about fitment, on the front alloys we're actually going to be fitting 15mm spacers, and on the rear we're actually going to be fitting 20mm spacers. We were a little bit concerned that it was potentially going to rub, fingers crossed, but yeah, that'll just push the wheels out more, sit in the arch more. Hopefully should look good. Obviously it would look better if I had nicer alloys, but that's a later problem because they're really expensive and I don't want to pay for them. Yeah, so currently this is what the wheels are looking like at the moment. So this is how they sit. The front's not awful, to be fair. The rear's not the best. We're also going to be fitting a few other things in today's video. So we have actually got some dynamic indicators for my mirrors. I've also got this little package from High on Boost. Big shout out to them as well for sending me this. The little clutch kit thing. So if you're like a mad like racer, this would be sick. I'm not a racer. You don't have to put your clutch in as far, which might be good for me because I've got short legs, so I can sit a bit further away and not be like this close to the steering wheel. So this one might be beneficial in other ways than expected. But before we start the install of my spacers, etc., I want to give a massive shout out to the sponsor of today's video, CarVertical. My boyfriend actually has a Volkswagen Golf GTI that he bought about 8 months ago, and as much as the exterior is just a little bit shabby, it is a 22-year-old car, so what do we really expect? But mechanically, it is actually completely sound. So before purchasing this Golf, he of course did a CarVertical scan first, which showed all green ticks. However, not every Volkswagen Golf will have a report like this. For example, this Golf unfortunately has a warning light for the financial illegal status. If we click that, we can see this vehicle is actually marked as scrap. Again, there's another warning light for damage, and clicking that we can see his vehicle was damaged 3 times. In 2018 it was written off as category N, so it's repairable but there's non-structural damage. In 2020 it was written off as a category B, so it's unrepairable, however there is some salvageable parts, and it was again written off at some point later on in 2020 as well. The photos to go along with CarVertical show us that the airbags have gone off, so it's an automatic write-off. It looks a little bit horrible, I would not want to buy it. It even looks a little bit worse than Charlie's Golf, and that's quite hard to do, so that's a pretty big crash. So sometimes it's as quick and easy as doing a CarVertical scan first. Stop you buying a car that might look 1010 but it's really a 110 on a good day. And to make sure your car is 1010, use code Chloe to get 20% off. Let's go install the spacers onto my Audi and the indicators and everything else. Let's go. I hurt my back.
That's why you're supposed to push down.
Do one. That's one harder. You're trying bollocks. No, I'm not doing that. I'm going to have a bad back manual handling training already. It's too hot for this shit, it's like 30 degrees. I'm gonna try to fucking crack bolts off my car. Who put these bolts on?
Probably Alan, isn't it?
Alan, you can absolutely do one. So we've loosened all of them, we've just got 2 left in here to take out the actual wheel off. Now don't fall on my leg, please, thank you. I will be very upset. Oh shit, sorry. I would never be cut out for mechanic life. Because I can't do car shit, but also because that's just kind of gross. Yeah, so that is the wheel off and all of this, so I'm pretty sure we literally just slot these on, kind of line it all up inside, and then we just put the bolts in, I think. There's so many, they always line up.
Oh, lovely.
Why?
A little bit of metal in your toilet.
I don't think I have a single tyre on this car that's not fucked. And considering they're only a few months old, it's not looking good. I swear to work on cars. Just lift it up, you know it's fucking heavy. Oh. Sir, where have you gone?
Behind me?
Sir? This is like a race against the clock moment. Which way? Right.
Yeah.
2 more bolts. And then that's the...
Yes. When it's down, the camber will play a part, but...
Okay, it's like the moment of truth of what's my fitment going to be like, and am I going to...
You're going for it?
Yeah.
Looks like it's going to fit.
Oh, she's fucking done it again. I've done it
good fitment,
again.
isn't it?
Every time I buy these things, when I bought my lowering springs, I went 45. Everyone goes 35. I went 45 and people were like, that's a bit far, isn't it? But mint. My lowering springs was back when 20. Everyone was like, 15 probably. Mint. Wow, that's so cool. That looks so much better. The fitment on that, like, look how they're literally in the arch now. You can't see because I'm so close to the fence, but you can't see the tyre either, which means it's inwards. So I'd say that's a win. Let's do the front one now, and hopefully
It's me, Mario!
the front will get some good fitment as well. We've got 15 on the front, also you did 20 on the back, 15 on the front, so fingers crossed.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
Okay, so we're just gonna let the front one down, and hopefully this one should be all good. The back one was fine, so the front one should be fine. Oh, I'm still scared. Fucking hell, look at that. That's mad, the difference though, isn't it? Like how much more they stick out. That does look much better, I'm happy with that. Fucking hell, massive shout out to Forge and Awesome GTI for sorting me with these. We're just gonna move the car and we're just gonna have a quick look that it doesn't rub when we turn it left and right.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can show you guys what I mean now. So this is the side with obviously the spacers, so they're fitted better, and then when you compare it to this side, my guy, where's the wheels? Where's the alloys? So the difference is kind of mad actually. We are going to actually move on to the second thing I'm fitting in this video, which we're going to fit some dynamic indicators. So I don't know how to get these off, so we're just going to wing it. Let's unbox it first actually. Oh my god, absolute boss. They send you a new one of these. I need a new one of these. ASMR. You're welcome.
And they're black.
I must have got smoked ones. Did I know I got smoked ones? No, but apparently I did. In what world do you fit? You're having a giggle, mate. That's not fitting in there.
No, maybe that.
Maybe that goes underneath.
Yeah.
I'm being dumb. I'm being dumb. Right, let's pop the mirror cap off. Oh, let me show you guys my old ones first. They just flash, so they're like normal, bit boring. So we're gonna get some swoopy ones. Oh. Also, guys, if anyone is selling some black A1 mirror caps or knows where to get them, please let me know, because the only ones I find are matte black for some reason, like, and I want gloss black, and I can't find anywhere else. I tried to buy some on Facebook Marketplace the other week, got scammed, so that was nice. Awesome. Ooh. Yeah, so there's two little screws. Where's the
Little Torx bits.
Yeah, just down here. They're in a bit of pain in the ass position. We're just screwing them out, and then I'm pretty sure you pop this out and then this comes out. Oh yeah, look. Got the indicator all clipped in. We're going to put the mirror cap on, do the other side, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Fucking ice cream man's pulled up, and I reckon, Charlie Boucher, you think it's ice cream time?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Let's go. Bad boy, look at this. What a treat. We're doing the spacers. It is very lopsided. I think it's going to fall off, so I'm going to eat it. Okay, so the last thing we're going to install is actually this little clutch kit from High on Boost. My camera's gonna die. A massive shout out to these guys for actually sending me this out. Yeah, obviously this will probably, if you were like a racer and you wanted really quick gear changes and stuff like that, this will probably be super good for you. I'm not a racer, I can't drive for shit, so it's probably not that beneficial for me, but it's a cool thing to add anyway. So yeah, if you guys wanna get yourself one, they do like loads of little bits on High on Boost, so go check them out. I'll leave the link to them down below. Go follow them on Instagram as well, and just check them out, see what they do, see if there's anything for your car. And they have some like FBI packaging too, because it's really hard to get into. Really hard. Okay, about 10 years later I actually finally managed to get in it. Ah! We got a little funky little sticker thing. It's like a, I think it's a sticker. Fuck the clutch kit, I'm gonna get my sticker out. So we've got this little thing. Basically, I haven't got a clue. It goes down by my clutch somewhere. Hence why it's called a clutch kit. I really don't get it. Okay, so basically on the instructions I need to pull something out down there, which I'll look at in a minute. But basically we've got different like size spacer things. So this one's 12.5, we've got 17.5, 15. Yeah, and then that goes down there, and that's it. Super easy, I think. So mine is there, I think. So that rubber thing needs to come out to be replaced by them little things. So I've pulled that out, put a clutch thing in there. So I've picked the 15 just to like middle ground it. I've screwed this top bit in, and then I'm going to try and screw it in down there and hope for the best. I'm not sure. No. So I've got it in. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's literally all the way up here. It does definitely make a difference. Like, you don't have to put the clutch in anywhere near as far, so it does feel quite cool. And like, obviously I've got short ass legs, so I can sit like further away. So yeah, it's definitely cool. If you were like someone that drove your car a little bit more racy, that would be kind of good. Like, you'd notice a massive difference of how like far in you have to put the clutch. It's quite cool actually. There's obviously all the different sizes, which I showed you earlier, so you can pick how far in it goes. So yeah, if you guys want to buy yourself the clutch kit, or obviously there's loads of things on High on Boost, check the website. I have got a discount code Chloe, which will get you guys 5% off, so make sure to use that one. We can shift quicker now, so we can race everyone in my slow Audi. I'll put my sticker on too. Yeah, it's like a little, you know, like the thick ones. Yeah, so that is the little bits added onto my it's my alarm for chicken. Yeah, that's all the little bits fitted onto my Audi. Obviously the main thing was the spacers, which make a massive difference. Like, if we come and have a look, the fitment is mad. Literally, like, it's like flush with the arch now. It just looks so much better. It just looks better. Like, I don't really know what to say apart from I did good with the millimeter space in there. Big shout out to actually people in Facebook Marketplace help. Facebook Marketplace. In the Audi A1 group chat on Facebook actually helped me. People doubted my 20 millimeters, and I said no, we're going for it. So yeah, a massive shout out to both Forge and Awesome GTI for sorting me out with the spaces for my car. The links to both their websites will be down below. Like I mentioned earlier, if you guys are based in Manchester, check out Awesome GTI's new unit. Again, if you're also based in, I think it's Gloucester, Forge's base.
Yeah.
Also head down to their unit, they can fit stuff for you. They're all super nice people. Check them out. Next up, we actually did my dynamic indicators, which I haven't actually showed you guys yet. And I also have not looked at them. I will install a clip of it at night time so you guys can see better. Oh, look at that, it's like sleek. That looks better. Simple little thing, just looks nicer, a little bit more. They're also, I think, smoked.
Yeah.
And lastly, if we head down to the driver's side, we obviously installed the little clutch kit. Some spikes there. Oh, there's still spikes there. It's all, I don't want to get down, but it just means when I put my clutch in, I don't have to put it in as far. So it's like, it'd be like a quicker gear change. I'm not a racer, and I know loads of you guys will be like, well, what's the point in that for you? It's just cool, nice to show you guys if you want to do it yourself. I can sit further back because I've got short legs. But yeah, massive shout out to High on Boost for that one. Again, check them out, guys. I've actually got a discount code Chloe, which will get you guys 5% off. And they've got loads of things on their website, so check it out and see what they've got. But yeah, that's everything we fitted onto my Audi A1 today. I'm glad it's back on the channel, because obviously we've been focusing more on the BMW at the moment. It's new, there's lots more to do to it. But this will be making appearances on the odd occasion. But yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. Follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you, or we'll see you in my next video. Bye!